Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going over the disassembly and cleaning of one of my new favorite guns, the Smith & Wesson 380 Shield EZ. Before we get started, the first thing we're going to do as always is make sure the weapon is unloaded. I'm going to drop the magazine, and pull the slide back, look in the chamber. Alright, great. Disassembly is easy. If your model features a thumb safety, you're going to want to make sure you pop that down. Now you're going to want to pull the slide back while pushing up on the slide stop, and it's going to lock into place. Now what you're going to want to do is drop that takedown lever. With a firm grip and avoiding that grip safety, you're going to want to grab the top of the slide, unlock it. Now you see it's off the rail. Just take your thumb and it's going to pop right off. And that's all there is to it. First things first, you're going to want to get some gun lubricating oil. I use Hops 9 personally, but you can use any brand you want. It's just the one I use. Then you're going to want to get some cleaning pads to wipe off any dirt and debris, and then Q-tips for those really tight places. Alright, so we're going to grab this slide now. We're going to grab the spring and we're going to take that out first. Just pop out. Notice the orientation it went in. Now we're going to grab the barrel, pull it back, and it's going to pop out of the top. Alright, so we're going to start with the slide here. Now you're going to want to remember, anytime you put oil in, you're going to want to put it where metal comes in contact with metal. These small grooves right here and there, you can't really go wrong with it. But if you do have any questions, you can consult your safety manual that comes with your firearm. Alright, so first I'm going to take off the applicator tip, and you'll notice this bottle has a really neat applicator that can get in those tight grooves. Alright, so I'm just going to put a small dab running along those rails in there. And on the bottom. And in any of these grooves here. Alright, what you will notice though with the barrel, if I pop it back in, that the metal scrapes right here. So we're going to put a little bit of oil on there as well. A little drop here, and a little drop there. Now we're going to want to put that barrel right back into place, and it's going to lock into the top right there. Now with springs, I tend to put a little dab of oil all over it. You don't have to be too exact here, just for good measure. And then I'm going to pop that right back into place. And notice the orientation that I'm putting it in. And that's done with the slide. Now onto the receiver. Same thing with the slide. We're going to be putting oil in everywhere that comes in contact with that slide up there. So a little drop here, right here, and right here. Now, alright, so we've applied the oil and we're going to put it back together. We're going to take that top slide and we're going to line it up with the grooves on the receiver. And it's just going to slide right in and click. Now, you're going to take a firm grasp on the slide and on the grip. You want to lock it back into place. You're going to want to pop that takedown lever back up. Now with the firm grasp, you're going to unlock it. And that's all there is to it. I'm going to pop that safety back up, put the mag back in, and I usually give it a few actions to make sure everything's smooth. And that concludes the tutorial on the Smith & Wesson 380 EZ cleaning and maintenance. You can find more at buyagun.online, where you can also purchase this gun. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.